first three. Okay, I will be taking your first aid theory. In the last class, I have hemorrhage. Till where did we complete hemorrhage? Hamida?
Yes, ma'am.
Last time for SLO hemorrhage too.
Hemorrhage.
First aid theory.
Treatment for scalp
Yes.
fracture.
Ki Jyotismita?
Treatment for scalp fracture.
জেনারেল ম্যানেজমেন্ট বাকি আছিল আজি
General management.
Ma'am, general management over.
Ma'am,
আজি মানে
given আজি আমাক
General management whole to agote hoy goise. Section A aru B dutar hoy goise.
ma'am, you have given us still treatment.
Huh?
Treatment.
Treatment
Mane-
of?
hello
You
ma'am.
have given 3 points for treatment.
Which treatment?
General management, a special form of bleeding, sign and symptoms.
Oh, special forms of bleeding. Which one? Bleeding from the scalp.
Yeah.
Okay, read out the treatment too.
Control the bleeding using direct pressure by using dressing or bandaging. Number 2 point, if the casualty is conscious, lay him down with the head and shoulder slightly rest. And number 3 point, check breathing, pulse and level of responsiveness at 10 minutes interval.
This one only, na? Okay, number 4 point you write down. If casualty becomes unconscious, unconscious mane, what is unconscious? Tomorrow, you all are conscious or unconscious?
Hello ma'am. মানে এটো কোনটো হয়?
আনকনসিয়াস
What, Hamida ki?
মানে এটো কোনটোৰ হয়? এটো কি হল? 4 number 2.0 আছে এটো কি হল হয়?
Tomorrow number to ki hol?
মানে এতিয়া যে কলে এটো 4 number লিখিম।
Treatment of scalp
এটো মানে
fracture.
Treatment of scalp fracture, bleeding from the scalp. Tumi edina absent asle niki?
হয় ma'am। মই হেতিনে নাছো।
ঠিক আছে, অকমান গ্যাপ ৰাখি দিয়া, তাৰ পিছত কন্টিনিউ কৰা। ঠিক আছে, because repeat কৰিলে টাইম গুচি যাব ন, আৰু তোমালোকৰ ক্লাছ আছে। ঠিক আছে, okay, write down. If casualty becomes unconscious, casualty মানে patient, ঠিক আছে, casualty, patient, victim, এইবোৰ এটাই কথা, okay? If casualty becomes unconscious, keep him in the recovery position. Keep him in the recovery position. Keep him in the recovery position. RECOVERY, recovery position. Next you write number 5. If breathing and heartbeat stop. If breathing and heartbeat stop. If breathing and heartbeat stop. Begin, BEGIN, begin resuscitation immediately. Begin resuscitation immediately.
Ma'am, what is it? What is it?
Begin resuscitation immediately. Resuscitation mane CPR. Okay, I will teach you in your next class. Next class mane it will come in your practicals. Okay.
Ma'am, what is spelling?
RESUSCITATION, resuscitation immediately. All these resuscitation techniques and all these are the artificial means. Okay. So all these things I will teach you in first aid practicals. Okay, in practicals you will study about resuscitation. Okay. If breathing and heartbeat stop hoy jay, then you will have to start the resuscitation technique. It is a technique hoy, okay, that you have to study. So resuscitation immediately. Tarpisot write down the last point. Shift him to the hospital. Shift him to the hospital immediately. That means hospital or okay, at the very last, if you are not able to help the patient even after the resuscitation technique, then you will have to take the patient to the hospital. Shift him to the hospital immediately. Shift him to the hospital immediately. Next you write number 2, bleeding from the nose. What will you do? Okay, bleeding from the nose. Number 2, bleeding from the nose. Write down. Bleeding occurs from the blood vessels. Bleeding occurs from the blood vessels inside the nostrils. Inside the nostrils. Tomar nakhor bhitor nostrils ase na duta. You have 2 sides. Okay, so if there is any bleeding, it will be from the blood vessels. Okay. Bleeding occurs from the blood vessels inside the nostrils, full stop. Bleeding coming from the nose. Bleeding coming from the nose. Bleeding coming from the nose is also a sign of fractured skull. Is also a sign of fractured skull. SKULL. Okay. If your skull bone is broken, then because of this also you might have bleeding from the nose. Okay. Bleeding coming from nose is also a sign of fractured skull. Next you write down the sign and symptoms. Next you write sign and symptoms. Number 1, moderate flow of blood from the nose. Bahut beshi nahoy, it won't be that much, but it will be to a moderate level. Okay, moderate flow of blood from the nose. Number 2, you write, if skull fracture is there, jodi skull fracture ase, if skull fracture is there, THERE there. If skull fracture is there, then mixture of MIXTURE, then mixture of blood and BLOOD, then mixture of blood and clear, 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 watery, WATERY, pani nisna. Okay, clear, watery, cerebrospinal fluid, cerebrospinal, CEREBROSPINAL, cerebrospinal fluid, FLUID, cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid comes, COMES comes. So jodi skull fracture hoy, okay, and if there is bleeding from the nose, then what will come out along with blood or logot at a cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, it is a fluid that covers your brain and the spinal cord. Your spinal cord is backside. Okay, spinal cord or tumar brain or at a fluid thake that is known as cerebrospinal fluid. So it or logot with the blood, CSF fluid will also come out from the nose. Okay. Next, you write down the treatment. Next, you write down the treatment. Treatment. Number 1, you write, sit the casualty down. Okay, sit the casualty down with the head, head well forward, with the head well forward, and loosen, LOOSN, and loosen any tight clothing. Jodi kapur to basi tight hoy, if the cloth whatever the victim is wearing it's too tight, then tomorrow you will have to open his clothing. If he's putting a shirt, okay, and if the button is still the neck, then he might feel exhausted, breathing difficulty over. So you should open his buttons. Or if full sleeve finish already, then you will have to fold the sleeves. Okay. And loosen any tight clothing around the neck and chest.
Any
Around the neck and chest.
loosen tour bisot ki ma'am?
Loosen any tight clothing. Any tight clothing. Clothing mane kapur, okay? Any tight clothing. Any kind of cloth, whatever the person is wearing, even if it's a girl or a boy, okay? Any tight clothing around the neck and chest. Around the neck and chest. Around the neck and chest. CHEST. What you will have to do, you will have to ask to sit you will have to tell the casualty or the victim to sit. Bohi bole dia, tar pisot matha to okoman, you will have to ask him to bend. Aru yat eta bowl dile nakhor pora juntu tej ulai ase, it will come out properly. Okay. So you will have to ask him to do that. And if any tight clothing is there, you will have to loosen the clothing. Okay. Second point is advise him to breathe. Advise him to breathe. Advise him to breathe. BREATH. Advise him to breathe through the mouth. Mukhor through the mouth. Advise him to breathe through the mouth and to pinch the soft part of the nose. And to pinch the soft part of the nose. And to pinch. PINCH. And to pinch the soft part of the nose. NOSE, nose. Okay, so what you will have to advise him, because as nakhor pra tej ulai ase, okay, that's why you will have to ask the patient to. So you will have to ask the patient. Nakhor pra tej ulai ase no, he karone you will have to ask the patient to breathe from the mouth. Okay, ask him to breathe from the mouth, and also you will have to pinch. Into soft part, nakhor soft part into ase, you will have to ask pinch. Okoman pinch kori, you will have to ask him to breathe through the mouth. Okay, mukhor. Third point you write, tell him to spit out. Next you write, tell him to spit out, SPIT. To spit out and mouth, comma, swallowed blood, SWA, swallowed blood may cause nausea and vomiting. Swallowed blood may cause nausea, 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 nausea and vomiting, VOMITING. Okay, if there is any remains of blood inside the mouth, then you will have to ask him to spit it out. Okay, mukhor you will have to ask him to spit it out. Okay, because jodi itu blood to, if that person swallows the blood, then the person might suffer from vomiting or else nausea. Nausea mane feeling of vomiting. Okay, vomiting mane tumi already vomiting koi dila, means you have already vomited. Into nausea means just the bhav of mane like you want to vomit. Into vomit to hua nai, into your feeling like vomiting. That is known as nausea. Okay, and vomiting means you had already vomited. Fourth point likha, number 4 likha. Release the pressure. Release the pressure after 10 minutes. Release the pressure after
Hello, ma'am.
10 minutes. Release the pressure after 10 minutes. Pressure mane tumi nakhot pinch koribo dise no, itu pinching to after 10 minutes, ask him to take it off. Release the pressure after 10 minutes, full stop. If the bleeding has not stopped, 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 continue treatment. Continue treatment continue treatment for a further 10 minutes. But if bleeding to stop one eye, then you will have to continue the treatment for another 10 minutes, for another 10 minutes. Okay, you will have to continue what you have done. Okay, full stop. Write down full stop. Do not allow the casualty to raise the head.
Ma'am,
Do not allow the casualty to raise the head. HEAD. Do not allow the casualty to raise the head. Full stop.
ma'am, can you please repeat?
From
Ma'am, if the bleeding has not stopped, then
if the bleeding has not stopped, continue treatment. Continue treatment for a further 10 minutes. Continue treatment for a further 10 minutes. Full stop. Do not allow the casualty to raise the head. Do not allow the casualty to raise the head. Next point you write down. While the head is still forward, point number past 5. Past number 5, fifth number point you write. While the head is still forward, while the head is still forward, comma, gently clean around the nose and mouth. Gently clean around the nose and mouth. Gently clean around the nose and mouth. Using a swab. Using a swab. Swab mane cotton swab, okay? Cotton or tukra or swab. Swab or clean dressing soaked
Ma'am?
in
clean,
huh?
cleaner পিছত কি হয়? Swab or clean?
Using a swab or clean dressing soaked in lukewarm water. Lukewarm, L-U-K-E-W-A-R-M, lukewarm water. Do you know what is a lukewarm water? Anybody knows what is lukewarm water? Lukewarm water means what is lukewarm water? You don't know what is a lukewarm water? Amida? Jyotishmita? Devi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is lukewarm
Ma'am,
water?
not too hot, not too cold.
Huh?
Not too hot. Not too hot, not too
Ma'am, not too hot in the medium.
Yes. Yeah. Lukewarm water means neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, tomorrow mix
Neither-
one, no? Thanda pani and garam pani used to mix, no? So that is lukewarm water. Okay, the medium heat. So you have to clean his nose. Okay, clean his nose and mouth. If there is any kind of blood stain, then you will have to clean his nose and mouth with a cotton swab. Okay, dipped in a lukewarm water. You will have to clean it. Okay. Next, you write what number? What is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number point you write. 6, no? 6 number point you write. When the bleeding stops. Number 6 you write. When the bleeding stops. When the bleeding stops. When the bleeding stops, comma, tell the casualty. When the bleeding stops. Tell the casualty to avoid exertion. ERTION. Tell the casualty to avoid exertion. 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 Okay, exertion means any kind of activity. Okay, physical activity or mental activity, any kind of activity the person should avoid. The person should be at complete rest. Okay, the person should take rest. He should not work. Okay, full stop. Advise the casualty. Advise the casualty. Advise the casualty. Advise the casualty not to blow the nose. Not to blow the nose. BLOW. Not to blow the nose. Blow the nose means, what do you mean by blow the nose?
Not to move.
Blow the nose means whenever you have cough, okay, whenever you are suffering from cold and flu, what happens? You used to clean your nose, right?
Yes,
Used to
ma'am.
clean or not your nose? Used to put force for cleaning the nose. Force, okay. So you will have to ask the patient not to blow the nose, because if you blow the nose, what will happen? It will lead to further injury, because already from the nose there was bleeding. So if you will blow the nose, what will happen? It will lead to further injury or damage. Okay, not to blow the nose for at least 4 hours. For at least 4 hours. For at least 4 hours. 4 FOUR. For at least 4 hours. So you will have to ask him not to clean the nose, not to blow the nose for 4 hours. Okay, for 4 hours he should not do anything, and he should be at complete rest. Okay, he should not have any physical activity, mental activity. He should not do anything. Okay, he should be at complete rest. Okay. Then you write the last point. You write, if after 30 minutes, 30 minutes means after half an hour. Okay, if after 30 minutes the bleeding persists, if after 30 minutes the bleeding persists, PERSISTS, if the bleeding persists or recurs, RECURS, means if the bleeding didn't stop, if the person is still having the bleeding after half an hour, then what you will have to do? Recurs, seek medical aid. Seek medical aid. Seek medical aid. Seek medical aid. That means if after 30 minutes, if you see that the bleeding didn't stop, if the person is still bleeding, after 30 minutes, okay, what will happen? Then you will have to call for medical aid. That means you will have to take the patient to the hospital. Hospital লৈ যাব লাগিব, because bleeding to control হোৱা নাই. Okay, সেইকাৰণে. So next bleeding from the can, okay, bleeding from the ears, bleeding from the eyes, then bleeding from the mouth, bleeding from the gums are এইটোৱে আছে. So all this so aborts of treatment same now. You can just read and you will know. So I will do one thing. I will just give you these pictures in your WhatsApp. Tomorrow likhi lua. Write properly in your first aid theory copy. ঠিক আছে, এইটো লিখি লোৱা. তাৰ পিছত in the next day, tomorrow আমাৰ কালি আমাৰ class আছে. Do we have class tomorrow?
Ma'am, let me check.
We have class. কালি class আছে নে?
Ma'am, we have PSM.
Huh?
PSM,
Tomorrow
we have
PSM?
PSM. Yep.
Okay, so this so tomorrow we will discuss a new chapter. Okay, new chapter mane burn. We'll discuss about burn. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Acha, do you have class now? Class আছে নে এতিয়া?
আছে
Amida, G, do you have class?
Yes, ma'am. I think
আছে
At what time?
1 p.m.
At what time?
1
One?
p.m. 1 p.m.
Huh?
1 p.m.
1 p.m. or pram?
ম্যাম
Ma'am,
সেকশন বি 1
let
pm
us
এর পর
take
আপনার
rest.
আছে
Huh?
সেকশন বি 1 pm এর পর আপনার আছে
আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট এড প্র্যাকটিক্যাল হয় না?
হয় নয় ম্যাম থিওরি আছে থিওরি
হ্যাঁ, ফার্স্ট এড থিওরি।
হয়
PSM practical আৰু first aid theory আছিল
PSM practical. PSM practical, did we complete vital signs on respiration? Both the sections, only amar vital signs on respiration.
not, ma'am. Huwa nai.
Huh?
Huwa nai,
Nai
ma'am.
hua niki?
Done.
Nai huwa.
Section AB, but I can see here respiration whole amar.
Ma'am, hoise kintu
Ma'am,
adha
হৈ গ'ল।
hoisile thake.
Adha hoi go, ma'am.
আপুনি কলম বনাব দিছিলে তাৰ পিছত যদি কিবা লিখিব আছে দেন আছে আৰু লিখিব নাই দেন কমপ্লিট হল
ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা 20 মিনিট মান আছে আমার। তোমালোক আৰু একবাৰ জয়েন কৰাচোন। I will take your PSM practical.
attendance টো একেবাৰে
Attendance to দিয়া তোমাৰ CR আছে ন section B আৰু A. আচ্ছা, join the class again. You all can leave the meeting and join the class again. Join the class again.
ওকে